Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there lived a wise old man. People called him Haji Sahab. He was known for his kindness and generosity. One day, a curious young boy named Ahmad approached him, seeking to understand the essence of Islam. Haji Sahab smiled warmly and invited the young boy to join him by the tranquil stream under the shade of an ancient tree. As they sat together, he asked, "Do you know the very foundation of Islam?" Ahmad nodded. "No." Haji Sahab began to explain to him by telling the story of flowers of faith. Imagine a beautiful garden, Ahmad, where a devoted gardener takes care of 5 special flowers. The first flower, radiant and pure, symbolizes the testimony that none deserves worship except Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. It is the root from which the other flowers grow. The second flower blooms when the gardener waters it every day with devotion. It's a reminder for us to pray nicely and regularly, just like the gardener's taking care of the flowers. Then there's a third flower that loves to share. Its petals whisper the importance of giving and nurturing the soil around it. Just as a gardener tends to the needs of every plant, Muslims are called to pay zakat, ensuring the well-being of the community. As the sun sets and the moon rises, the gardener embarks on a pilgrimage to distant lands. The fourth flower, representing Hajj, flourishes in the garden. Its petals tell the tale of unity, diversity, and the spiritual journey undertaken by Muslims during this sacred pilgrimage. Lastly, there's a lovely flower that blooms when the nights are a bit longer. It's like a friend who comes for a visit once a year. That's Ramadan. Its fragrance fills the air. It is a reminder to observe fasts during this blessed month, fostering self-discipline and spiritual growth. As Ahmad listened to the story, he felt like he was in the magical garden with the flowers. Haji Sahab had turned the principles of Islam into a beautiful tale, making them feel like friends in a garden, easy to understand and full of warmth. And so, the story became a little seed in Ahmad's heart, ready to grow into something beautiful. My dear Muslims, just like the gardener tends to each flower with care, let us nurture the principles of our faith in our daily lives. Let's be gardeners of our own faith, cultivating a beautiful garden of Islam together. Share the beauty of our faith with others, and may our garden flourish.